mga kalalabs ni MGBib. So, mag-vlog ko sa inyo kaya ako ipakita sa inyo ang akong napalit nga necklace which is Borloloy. Kay kani siya nga Borloloy, mao ni siya. Whereas, kana siya mga kalalab, mga bato na siya. This is a stone that there is a meaning. So the stone is belongs to Gemini because my birthday is May 30. So I am a Gemini. So I chose this stone because it belongs to Gemini. So Gemini or in Italiano Gemelli. So yeah, I bought this one. Look, it's a stone, but it's a bololoy mga kalalab, fashion jewelry. This is a fashion jewelry. So the other day I bought this one because I could, oh, a nice stone, and I'm very attractive with the stone. So I bought this one, and I have another one also the same like this, also the necklace, but it's not about Gemini or Gemini. It's about a mama, the meaning of the stone. So next time I'm gonna be wearing that one. So I show you that I'm gonna be wearing that other one that I bought. It's about a mama, mommy. So it's there is a meaning. Every stone color there is a meaning. And I also give to one of my husband because my husband is Ariti in Italiano, which is Arios. So yeah, so my husband is also have like this also. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.